Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 1 SA1 exam class 8th AP board subject social study question paper with answer. Discuss this key paper and the question paper. Download the telegram group link on the description. Tap the link and join the telegram group. Let's start the video. Total marks 80, time duration 3 hour, total number of question 33. Let's start the paper. Multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, out of which only one option is correct. Question number 1. Why is it important to conserve non-renewable resources? Option A. They are unlimited in nature. They can be replenished quickly. The distribution of these resources is uneven. They are useful for future generation. What is the answer? Option D. They are useful for future generation. Question number 2. Which problem faced by farmer during Champaran movement did Gandhiji fight against? High land revenue taxes, forced cultivation of indigo, denial of forest rights, increase in salt price. What is the answer? Forced cultivation of indigo is the right answer. Question number 3. When was Supreme Court of India established? 26 January 1950 is a correct answer. The Supreme Court of India came into existence on 26 January 1950, coinciding with the day India became a republic. Is the right answer of the option B is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 4. Rajni family built a new house and installed rooftop solar panel. What type of energy source they are using? Non-renewable, renewable, fossil fuel energy, nuclear energy. What is the correct option? Correct answer is the option B, renewable energy. Solar energy is a renewable resources because is it inhospitable and supplied the sun. Now to the next question. Which of the following tribal rebellion does not match respected year? Kaur rebellion, Karl rebellion 1831 to 1832, Santhal revolt 1855, Bastar rebellion 19010, Warli revolt 1945. What is the answer? Answer option D. Option D is a right answer of the fifth question, Warli revolt. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? Who is the current chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Sri Jagdish Dhangar, M. Venkaiah Naidu, C.P. Radhakrishnan, Hari Vans. What is the answer? Answer is option A, Jagdish Dhankar is the correct answer. Question number 7. What does the picture mainly incidented? Answer is the option A is the correct answer. What does picture mainly incident? Means change in land uses as villagers grow into towns and cities. Question number 8. What is the question number 8? Which of the following action is harmful to the environment? Planting trees in your neighborhood, using reusable water bottles instead of plastic ones, throwing batteries into regular trash bin, close the tap immediately after use. What is the answer? Option C, throwing batteries into regular trash bin is the correct answer. Question number 9. In our country, how many seats are required for a party to gain majority? to establish the government in the center? 250, 272, 300, 289. What is the answer? Answer is option B, 272. The Lok Sabha has 543 elected seats. A simple majority required, half plus 1, which is 272 seats. Question number 10. What is the question number 10? Which of the following correctly arrange the court from apex to lower? What is the answer? Answer is option C. Supreme Court, High Court and District Court is a correct order. Question number 11. What is the 11th question? If you were company official during the British period, which of the problem of the permanent settlement would be have noticed? Which option is the right answer? Right answer option D. Right answer option D. With the prices rose, Zamidar and more Zamidar earn more, the company income did not increase is the right answer. Question number yani only 1 2 3 is a correct answer. Option D is the right answer. Next question. What is the next question? Question number 12. Identify the state does not belong to the Mahabari settlement. What is the answer? Option D is the right answer. Revenue was permanently fixed and given to the village headman is the correct answer, is the right option. Next question number 13. What is the question number 13? Which of the following conditions are most suitable for the growth tea plantation? What is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is 1 2 3. Correct answer option C, 1 2 3 is the right answer. Next question number 14. Why did the Britisher believe it was important to preserve record? What is the answer? Option B, to review, study and manage policies and decision effectively is the correct answer. And the next question number 15. What is the 15th question? Which layer of soil is rich in nutrients and humus, making it more suitable for plant growth? Subsoil, topsoil, weathered rock, parent rock. What is the answer? Option B, topsoil is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. What is the 16th question? Why did James Mill think that Asian societies were at the lower level of civilization? The Europe. Option A, B, C, D. Which one are right answer? Option D. They were dominated by caste, religion and superstitions. Next question. Farmers live in a hilly region where flat land is scarce. Which method of cultivation should be prevent soil erosion? Shifting cultivation, terrace farming, subsistence farming, intercropping farming. What is the answer? Terrace farming is a suitable method of the hilly areas. Next question number 18. What is the question? Which of the following is not principle of sustainable development? Protecting natural habitation, overuse of resources for faster growth, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth, vitality and diversity. Option B is the correct answer. Overuse of resource for faster growth. Question number 19. Which of following case is not handled by the Supreme Court for dispute resolution? A land dispute between two citizens in India, a trade disagreement between India and Nepal, a complaint against a government officer for misconduct, a conflict between the government of the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Option B is the correct answer. A trade disagreement between India and Nepal. Question number 20. What is the question number 20? A farmer grows crop only to meet the need of his family. He uses simple tools and his family member help in the work. What type of farming is he practicing? Subsistence farming, commercial farming, terrace farming, slash and burn farming. What is the answer? Subsistence farming. Option A is the correct answer of the question number 20. Now the next section, answer the following question in your answer booklet. A student denied admission into the school only because their religion. Answer the following question above statement. Name the fundamental rights that is being violated in this situation. Second one, which institutions can the student approach to protect their fundamental rights? Next question number 22. How did the tribal people practice Jhum shifting cultivation? Right point about it. Question number 23. Why did the British preserve official document? Question number 24. What does this picture indicate about two features on it? Answer the following question in your answer booklet. Question number 25. Explain any four major consequences in how the British force affected the traditional lifestyle of tribal communities. Question number 26. Why is important separate religion from the state? Mention any four aspect of this importance. Identify the renewable resource given below and write two uses of in our life. Question number 28. State any four reason why they demand for the Indian indigo increase in European market. 29th. Answer the following question. Which political party is currently in power in the central? Second one. What is the name of the assembly constituency? Third one is, who is the Minister of Human Resources Development in AP? When will the next election be held? Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.